what's going on, guys? Thought I'd give voiceover a try instead of just putting text on the screen for you guys to watch. So after my trip to Nashville and a short visit in Atlanta, I headed down to Florida to visit my friends who just moved down there. They just had their first kid, and here he is. His name's Jace. How cute is that little guy? As you would expect, me visiting during summertime, it rained almost every single day I was there. So in the days where it didn't rain, I tried to take advantage of it as much as I could. This is us heading out to a state park that's not too far from their house. Unfortunately, a lot of it was flooded from all of the rain, so we didn't get to truly take advantage of it and explore as much as we would have liked. That being said, my whole goal with this trip was just to visit my friends that I hadn't seen in a long time since they moved down to Florida and see Jace. Everything else was just icing on top of the cake. It was almost like clockwork with the rain. Pretty much the time that I was working the day job, it was beautiful and sunny, but as soon as I would get out and try to head over to the friend's house to do something, it would rain.
So the police just came to this place here where I'm staying, and they said that somebody ran away from Walmart. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but they have like a police helicopter out and everything, and they're just like walking around the property looking for him. True Florida man story right here. Kind of glad they haven't found him yet. It'd be pretty creepy if he was hanging out back here. Just a bunch of woods that are behind me. I don't think they found him yet. I just peeked around the corner and the cops are still here, but we'll see what happens. We got a helicopter circling still, so I guess I don't think he got very far. Did he?
Even with the Florida man craziness, I'd love to put a big thank you out there to my friend's family for letting me stay in their guest house while I was staying there for 2 weeks.
There you go. Okay, girly.
Not only did it rain almost every day, but the beach was pretty much unusable. They're currently experiencing what they call the red tide there. If you don't know what that is, just do a quick Google and you'll find out that it's pretty nasty. This is a bunch of dead fish that pretty much lined the entire beach. Just stuck my feet in the water for a little while, and probably within 5 minutes I could barely stand the smell and we had to get out of there.
Feel it, Julius? Yeah.
Hello.
Hi there.
With all the storms, it did create some amazing sunsets though. Check this out. The day I was leaving, a tropical storm named Fred was headed towards the Gulf Coast of Florida. Every county line I crossed, I got this emergency alert letting me know that there was life-threatening flooding headed my way. Little did I know that this would be nothing compared to what I would experience once I got to New Orleans. As always, thank you for watching, and keep your eye out for the New Orleans episode as I